Now insert USB or pen drive, then you format. Now I connect with the PC USB. When I connect the USB drive, this message will become like this. When you connect the USB or pen drive, then you go to PC, double click. After you see here already connected, you right click here, it should be format. Go to format, left click. After then in file system you have to change. Now EXF system you have to change, and we keep it FAT32 default. After then you start formatting file. Format finished. After we can install Windows 10 this USB drive. Very close. How to download Windows 10 or Windows 11 in USB ISO file. First you should go any browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, any. I go Microsoft Edge and search box here I write Windows 10 download. After you see first this Microsoft.com, download Windows 10 Microsoft. The ISO file here you click here. After that this Windows 10. Now I Windows 10 I showing update, no update. You should have download. Creation Windows installation file. This Windows creation file install, media file install. After then you can download Windows 10 or 11. Now you download here. You click now download. It will be download few seconds. It will be finished. When it will be download finished, you open this file and they click. After then you install Windows 10 or now I showing Windows 10. You can Windows 10, 11 same process. But now media creation file already finished. Now you open yes. You see now it will be getting few things. Now one thing should be clear, the USB, which USB you install Windows 10, before install Windows 10 in USB, that USB should be format. The format should be FAT32 default system, not other system, default system. Okay. Now this agreement will become, you will be accept. You click accept here. Then one by one you follow the skin instruction. After then, before installation, you prepare your USB. USB should be format, and when asked insert the USB, you just insert and continue. It may be take a little bit time. After then it will be finished. You remove, but this Windows 10 install USB only, not on the computer. You see now here message upgrading this PC now or getting install USB drive. You want to on USB, so you select it down here and the given next. You give here next. Next, use this recommendation option for this PC? Of course not, because we are going to be installing USB. You should be have your system will follow you on the check, then you click on next. Then your ISO file or USB drive. If you want to ISO file, you just keep DB drive ISO file, because I'm showing about USB. So you keep this USB connect to the PC, then you click the next, then it will automatically start. It will be download on USB. After remove, next process how I show how to download on the PC.